S3838 or S40 shower base preparation and installation. To make the base stronger and dampen the noises from the fiberglass, spray polyurethane foam to the bottom of the base, especially to the areas with open voids. I see some customers use 3 or 4 cans to fill up the base. Peel off brown tapes from the edges of the base of the shower. Then peel all of the clear film off the shower base. Next, insert the drain into the hole in the shower floor. Silicone sealant may be used. Tighten the ring nut. This is a standard US 2-inch drain. It should be plumbed directly to the hard PVC drain pipe in the floor. We also offer 1.5-inch drain with a flexible hose for the situation that the floor drain pipe can't be plumbed to the shower drain.